Hey Quillistas! Are you ready to own your style just like Paisley? Today, we're making our very own fashion board. It's all about you, your sparkle, your style, and your story. Grab your markers, stickers, and glue. It's time to sing and create. First, grab a piece of cardboard, poster board, or thick paper. This is going to be your fashion masterpiece. You can cut your board into any shape you love, maybe a heart, star, or even a cute Paisley shape. Now write, "This is me, this is my style," at the top in big bold letters. This is your fashion space. Time to decorate. Grab your markers, glitter, stickers, and fabric to design your own fabulous fashion board. Cut out your favorite outfits from magazines or draw your dream dress, shoes, or accessories. You can even add your favorite colors, patterns, and fun words like shine bright and be you. Wow, your fashion board looks amazing. Now it's time to own your style. Put your board in your room or bring it to life by striking a pose in front of it. Sing along while you show off your board. Let's dance and twirl like Paisley. Want to create even more fun? Stay tuned.
Welcome to Paisley's Fashion